Hey guys, welcome to the 2018 MCAT preparation questions. This is question 34 in this series. So today's question is this one here. As usual, pause the video, try the question by yourself, see how far you can actually go with the answer. Okay, so what we have is we got 1/5 of a number added to 2/3 of 2 more than the number is equal to 2 less than number. What is the number? Great. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to write this down here. The unknown number. So the unknown number, I'm going to write it as x. So the first component is 1/5 of a number. So that's easy. So we've got 1/5 of a number, which is 1/5 of x. Then it says it's added to 2/3. So it's added to 2/3 of 2 more than the number. So that means I've got the number, which is x, plus 2 more. And then it's equal to 2 less than number. So that means I've got 2 less than number could be written as x minus 2. Okay, so let's actually write this down as an equation. So we got 1/5 of a number. That's 1/5 of x plus 2/3 of the number of 2 more than the number. So that's x plus 2. And that's all equal to 2 less than the number, which is x minus 2. So x minus 2, and I have that here. Okay, wow, that's a lovely looking equation. So how do we actually go about this? Now, what we have here is we've got quite a challenging question here, but it's all right, it's worth doing. So the first thing is like to try and make the denominators the same on the left hand side. So notice how you got 5 and 3 as a denominator. Now if you have 5 and 3 as a denominator, the lowest common multiple is 15. So that means I'm going to multiply the first one here, the denominator by 3 and the numerator by 3. And I repeat the process again for the 2/3, but except that's going to be multiplied by 5 and 5. So when I do this 3 times, I'm doing this fraction here first. So in the numerator I've got 3 times 1 times x, which is equal to 3x, and in the denominator I have 15 plus 5 times 2 is going to be like this over 15, and that's multiplied by x plus 2, and all of this is equal to x minus 2. So at this point, because 15 is a common denominator in both of these fractions, I can rewrite this as 3x plus 10 times x plus 2, and that's divided by 15, and it's equal to x minus 2. And in the next line, I can actually cross multiply 15, so I end up with 3x. But I guess I could also expand this little bracket here. So I'm going to get 10 times x is 10x. And then 10 times 2 is 20, which is equal to, so 15 is coming across, so it's going to get cross multiplied, and I've got 15 times x minus 2. So in the next line I've got 3x plus 10x, which is 13x, plus 20 equals 15 times x, and then 15 times negative 2 is minus 30. So from here, I'm just going to rewrite these questions, guys. The 13x plus 20 equals 15x minus 30. So rearranging it, I've got 13x minus 15x plus 20 is equal to 30. So I've got negative 2x plus 20 equals 30. And then negative 2x is equal to 30. Oops, sorry, that's a minus 30 there. And when 20 comes across, it's negative 20. So I've got negative 2x is equal to negative 50. And then x is equal to negative 50 divided by negative 2. And so therefore I can say that x is equal to 25. So the unknown number in this case is actually 25. Okay, so that's basically it for this little video, guys. I do apologize if the question was slightly a bit more challenging, but you never know what gets thrown at the MCAT. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, pop it in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video.